According to the World Health Organization, more than 3.2 million people prematurely die each year due to the effects of sedentary lifestyles. In today's technology-driven society, it's becoming easier and easier to live an inactive life. We drive to work or school, sit at a desk for 8 hours working on computer screens, then drive back home again, only to crash on the couch in front of the TV. In the United States, the percentage of jobs that carry a high degree of sedentary behavior increased by 10% between 1960 and 2008. In Australia, 40% of workers reported spending more than 6 hours sitting out of every 8-hour shift. This lack of physical activity comes with significant health risks, as sedentary behavior is linked to health problems ranging from musculoskeletal disorders to diabetes and cancer. Fitbit works by using smartphone device sensors to monitor periods of sedentary behavior of its user. Originally, Fitbit was anticipated to be a data-gathering tool to aid in medical research to further the understanding of sedentary behavior and its relationship to overall health. After prototyping and user testing, we realized that Fitbit could have its place within consumer health applications as a sedentary behavior tracker. Fitbit works to combat heavy sedentary behaviors by recording and displaying trends of sedentary behavior of its user in a meaningful and easy-to-understand manner. Fitbit will also go further to give tailored advice to the user to help curtail lengthy periods of sedentary behavior. The beginning stages of the front-end development began with creating a digital prototype of the user interface. The software application Adobe XD allowed the team to construct an interactive visual demonstration of the application without any coding requirement. In the latter stages of the development, our team plans to use Android Studio. Android Studio provides an ideal environment for implementing the digital prototype with code and further integration with back-end functionality. For the back end of this project, our team will use Firebase, a web application development platform, to support our application internally. Our team has experience using Firebase, and it provides an easy-to-use real-time database and back-end service. By using Firebase instead of an in-house database server, our team can spend more time solving the overarching project instead of the programming and debugging of all the small intricacies of back-end development. Our team has experience with both Android app development and artificial intelligence, which will be invaluable for training our system to distinguish between sitting and standing. Next semester, we will meet once a week to discuss each member's progress toward their assigned tasks. We will use GitHub for backups of our files and version control. Additionally, we will use ZenHub, an application designed for agile project management to track completed features, incomplete tasks, and changes. During our meetings, we will review our progress and update ZenHub accordingly. When the user enables recording, sensor information will begin to flow from the smartphone to the app. The app will process sensory inputs and create data based off of our sedentary model. It will then store the sedentary data in a database local to the phone, which is also backed up through our cloud Firebase database. When the user wants to check their history of sedentary behavior, the application will grab the necessary data from the database and display it to the user. We plan on implementing Fitbit as an Android smartphone application, since the Android operating system holds 75% of the mobile operating system market share worldwide and 54% of the market share in the United States. By leveraging this information, we can target a high number of potential users immediately by working on a single operating system, which gives our team exposure to as many users as possible through a short time frame. Since nearly all smartphones made after 2007 contain accelerometers, gyroscopes, and other position monitoring hardware devices, our team can utilize this wide selection of hardware options to help us identify sedentary behavior by combining information from these sensors to create a model of what sedentary behavior looks like through the eyes of a smartphone. Fitbit is a multifunctional tool designed to tackle the issue of sedentary lifestyles by promoting a more active lifestyle, increasing awareness of one's sedentary habits, and aiding data collection for medical research. We anticipate that those who use Fitbit will see a noticeable improvement in their overall well-being and health.